In this training you will learn how to start up a full NOT chaos distribution and ecosystem in your PC, load a configuration that describe your facility, start services, make a dashboard and access of the control of your emulated devices. This environment can be used to dramatically speed up the development, test and training of your facility. You need just Docker IO installed in your Linux, Mac or Windows PC. Let's clone the Chaos Services projects from Baltig. The most updated release is the experimental. Let's dive in. Once finished, we should clean up Docker caches through the command docker system prune. Now we are ready to start the NOT chaos ecosystem through the command docker compose up. We should wait few seconds since all the services should start in the correct order. Now we are ready to connect the NOT chaos ecosystem simply opening the browser at the HTTP localhost 90. The NOT chaos doesn't have any configuration facility loaded. We must provide one by using the navigation bar and select configuration and then import a configuration. The Docker Service Project provides some test facility example that can be found on persistence etc. facilities. Let's pick up the test BTF facility that emulates a simplified Realbeam test facility. At this point no unit server, control or execution unit is alive. The first time we should manually start the unit servers that contain control units and the execution units we are interested in. All the services, control unit and execution unit can be configured to start automatically. To start manage service we must select node management into navigation bar, then select by server in the node view. The first time you just see 4 services green and running, 2 chaos data services, 1 WEBUI and 1 chaos agent. The chaos agent is responsible to run and handle the lifetime of unit servers and execution units. By default the interface shows just the alive nodes, so we must remember that to start a node that is not running we should first check the all in the live checkbox. Hierarchy navigating in the test agent you will see a test BTF unit server containing several control units, the control motors, magnets and camera, a process that oversees alarms named HunterDog. A process named AlgoFit Cam01 that performs a Gaussian fit on the image of a diagnostic camera. Cam01. This process will track position and shape of the beam and will check if the beam overflows a given area. All the actions on nodes are performed by using a context menu that is activated on the mouse right click. Therefore to start the node you just have to right-click on the node and select Start Node. Depending on the configuration a window with a console is open to check the standard output of the node. This is useful when starting execution units that typically execute user code. When started we should wait few seconds to see nodes becoming green. The interface needs from 5 to 10 seconds to understand if a node is alive. Green. Once the nodes are green we can move in the control and execution unit view to start working with our emulated system. Please assure you're really operating on your localhost and not in the real facility. By selecting CUEU view and interface camera we can see the camera and the fit operating. We can check and verify that they are logging their data on the log checkbox or through the context menu by selecting the storage control. Once the logging is enabled the data are immediately available to Grafana. Grafana is a popular open source product to build custom dashboard. Grafana is available at the address http localhost 3001. By using Grafana we can grab for instance the position tracked by fit in order to see oscillation. We can set up alarms and so on. In this example we are going to create a dashboard with a basic pane that plots data in the function of time. It's very straightforward. Just to select the Add button and select the panel. On the right side will appear several settings associated to the panel. Now just set a significant name for the plot. On the query instead we have to choose what we want to plot. Select InfluxDB as data source. As measurement just pick the unique name of the control unit or execution unit that you want. Have to choose the name of the variable in the data set of the CU or EU are you interested to plot. As you make selection the panel will update. At the end remember to select the time interval you want to display by default, and if you want the dashboard will update automatically.